Bharat Oman Refineries Limited, BORL, a journey of aspiration and resolve. The genesis of Bharat Oman Refineries Limited, BORL, dates back in the early 1990s, when it was conceived that the country requires an inland oil refinery in central India that can cater to the oil demand of the central and North Indian market. Thus, Bharat Oman Refineries Limited was formed as a joint venture company with equal participation by Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited and Oman Oil Company of the Sultanate of Oman in the year 1994. The first phase from 1994-2000 witnessed signing of agreement between OOC and BPCL, carrying out techno-economic study at various locations in Gujarat, Maharashtra for setting up the crude oil terminal and in Madhya Pradesh for setting up the refinery. Come 2005, detailed configuration study was done and ministry clearances were taken. Now was the time for the workforce to synchronize all energies and set up a state-of-the-art refinery. While construction at Bina was definitely a huge challenge, no less was to set up facilities at Vadinad and the 937-kilometer long pipeline from Vadinad to Bina. The single point mooring, SPM at Vadinad, withdraws crude supply from the oil tankers anchored at sea, with two pumping stations at Dhamna in Gujarat and Bhiwadi in Madhya Pradesh. After the crude is processed and refined at Bina, the products are transported to the market through the reliable and efficient Bina Dispatch Terminal BDT via pipeline, rail and road. The Bina Kota pipeline evacuates fuel from the refinery and then connects it with a cross-country Mumbai Manmad-Bijwasan pipeline operated by BPCL. There is also a fully automated rake and lorry loading gantry that assures timely delivery of products to customers across the country. BORL achieved more than 100% capacity utilization for the first time in the financial year 2014-15 and has been improving ever since, always aspiring to move to the next level. BORL has received all requisite clearances and is on track to expand to 7.8 MMTPA capacity by 2018. The company has been envisaged with an eye on the future demands of the Indian energy industry. BORL has strategically pre-invested for production of environment-friendly fuels to meet the current and future industry standards. This effort has been made with the intent that the company will be ready to meet the government's vision of producing Euro 6 grade of fuels well before the time frame. With eyes firmly set on being one of the leaders of the oil refining industry, BORL has ambitious plans to double its capacity in the near future. With the support of the state government, BORL also aims to set up a petrochemical hub around the refinery. Investment in the learning and development of employees and inculcating new skills in them has been one of the prime agendas of the Learning Center at BORL, and it provides impetus to developing a leadership pipeline and an ever-ready, competent workforce. Our motto, Safety in Toto, makes the refinery an extremely safe, secure and conducive environment to live and work, imparting safety training to all its employees and contractual workers on a regular basis. The town has a full-fledged fire training ground where mandatory fire training is given to all concerned personnel at regular intervals. The refinery township has all amenities that a modern residential city must have, with clean wide roads, well-planned residences amidst vast landscaped gardens. It is a place that would be envy of most Indians. The icing on the cake is the multi-dimensional sports and recreational facilities that help people stay fit and stress-free with everything from table tennis to swimming and badminton to gymnasium, alongside a huge library and an outstanding amphitheatre. Apart from this, DAV BORL School, 10+2 affiliated to CBSE, has been built with all the latest technological facilities and is completely chalk-free, is equipped with smart classes and has 68% students from the nearby local areas. IPD OPD facilities have been set up at the 30-bed multi-speciality VKBORL hospital, where about 76% of the patients are from the local areas. Besides, BORL conducts specialized medical camps and immunization camps, and its mobile medical unit regularly visits nearby villages to diagnose the villagers of their problems. Being a responsible corporate entity, BORL has been taking various developmental initiatives through CSR activities in nearby villages, especially in the areas of education and skill development, health and hygiene, rural development and environment sustainability, sports and culture. As an innovative initiative, BORL has launched a mobile science bus with 150 experiments to stimulate interest in science subjects among the students of villages. With the support of the state government, BORL aims to bring about prosperity in the region.